Alright, let's take a it's a bush, I think. Plugged in on the top here, you can see. Also installed that got macaroni cheese. Everything else food in there. See. Does the customer have lights? Remember? I don't have a model number of this. Something about this. This model number. There it goes. Model BCF99L. I think this is a bit just selling it. A lid on it, you can see. VFN number, logo bush. 365 days a year. Got this, got any funds you can set this. You can just turn that pie or even turn it off this. You can see. Got power, run, alarm as well. The power turns green, the power turns red, and the power turns yellow. It means alarm and run. Run will turn red, alarm will turn into yellow as well. So, have a look at this from here. I'll pop your receiver. That's it there. Store. A lid on it as well. That means it does the body case. Inside now, it's got the 2 screws, 3 screws, and a full screw, 5 screws. Look inside. This is a Electrolux Chest-Freezer. 6 and just got stuff in there for freeze, and got this one there. Just macaroni and cheese, rice, and patties as well, and then pieces and chips as well, and install in there. Okay, so this is a brand new Electrolux Chest-Freezer. I don't know what happened to the Electrolux Chest-Freezer, but I don't know, it's been replaced by this. So that was many years ago now from the Electrolux Chest-Freezer. So yeah. So the Electrolux Chest-Freezer got replaced by the Bush, and it's working good. Bye. Okay, on to the next one.